Hey homeowners, in need of a new roof but not sure about how to go about choosing that right contractor? Let's break it down. First, what you want to do is check for licenses and insurance. A reputable contractor should be fully licensed and insured to protect you from any liabilities. The next thing you want to do is look at their reviews on both Google and the Better Business Bureau to see what your previous customers and consumers had to say about them, good or bad. And to take it a step further, you can ask them for references to ensure that they have a good track record. Then the next thing you want to do is get multiple quotes to compare prices. But you also don't want to just go with the cheapest option, because the bottom line is you get what you pay for. You also want to consider the quality of the materials that they're going to be installing on your roof and their workmanship that they will be providing for you. And also make sure that they offer you real good warranties and guarantees for both the materials and their workmanship. And lastly, you want to ensure that they communicate with you well and that they're transparent about their process and the timeline on the installation. So if you're ready to find a reliable contractor, we entice you to check us out, A1 Roofing's KangaRoof at KangaRoof.com. You can schedule a free consultation and we'll be glad to come out and see you there. My name is Maurice, and we're looking forward to keeping you covered and answering any questions that you may have. And thank you.